Hello everyone, this is Augustus from Summer Library. In this tutorial we are going to solve the real number system questions that dropped in the WASSCE June 2017. We are going to solve both the objective and the theory questions. Objective question 1. Express 0.000407 correct to two significant figures. Objective question 3. Evaluate 3 whole number 1 over 4 times 1 whole number 3 over 5, all divided by 11 whole number 1 over 3 minus 5 whole number 1 over 3. Theory question 12a. The operation star is defined on the set of real numbers R by x star y equals x plus y over 2, where x and y are elements of the real number system. I. Evaluate 3 star 2 over 5. I. If 8 star y equals 8 whole number 1 over 4, find the value of y. Let's go to the board and solve the questions over there. We are to convert 0.000407 to two significant figures. The rules of significant figures states that all non-zero digits are significant. That's that. The next rule says that zeros between non-zero digits are significant. And the last rule states that trailing zeros in a decimal is significant. Trailing zeros in a decimal is significant. Let's see. Since this is a decimal number, we are going to apply the third rule. So by the third rule, it means that 0.0000, all these numbers are insignificant. 4 is our first significant number. 0 is the second significant number because our rule number 2 says that zeros between non-zero digits are significant, and 4 is a non-zero digit. Likewise, 7 is also a non-zero digit. And 7 is our third significant figure. So we are to convert these to two significant figures. Our concentration will go on to the second one, which is 0. After picking the 0, you look at the number to the right, which is next to the 0, and it is 7. So what we do is that we ask ourselves, is the number equal or more than 5? If it is equal or more than 5, we add 1 to the 0. But if it is less than 5, we maintain the number and discard the 7. So if we do that, it means we are going to add 1 to this 0, which will give us something like 1. So at the end, 0.000407 is equal to 0.000411 to two significant figures. Our objective question number 3. It says that we should evaluate 3 whole number 1 over 4 times 1 whole number 3 over 5 divided by 11 whole number 1 over 3 minus 5 whole number 1 over 3. And the first step when you want to solve this question is to convert all the mixed fractions we have over here to improper fraction. And to do that, we use a simple principle. Assuming our mixed fraction is a whole number b over c, what we do is that we multiply the whole number by the denominator a times c, then add the result to b and divide all by the denominator. We multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the result to b and divide by the denominator, which is c. The same principle is what we are going to use to convert all the mixed fractions we have in this question to improper fraction. So when we come here, when we multiply 3 by 4, we are going to get 12. And 12 plus 1, we are going to get 13. 13 divided by 4 times the next one. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 5. All divided by 11 times 3 is 33 plus 1. 34 divided by 3 minus 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1. 16 over 3. Now we have converted all the mixed fractions in our expression to improper fraction. Our next step, we are going to write this division in other form so that the question will look simpler in our eyes. 13 over 4 times 8 over 5 divided by 34 over 3 minus 16 over 3. That's what we have here. Alright, what are we going to do next? What we do is that we will tackle each of the brackets we have here. Now for the first bracket, we can say that 4 can go into itself once, 4 goes into 8 twice, and we'll be left with 13 times 2 over 5. I don't want to multiply it yet. Divided by, for this one, it's not multiplication, so we are not going to cancel out. It's subtraction with the same denominators. So what we do is that since they have common denominators, we will pick one of them and write it as their denominator. Then we subtract the numerators as we have over here. And when you simplify, our second bracket, 34 minus 16 is going to give you 18, then divided by our 3. In our next step, we are going to apply the reciprocal rule over here so that it will turn this division to multiplication, and this will also reciprocate. The 3 will become the numerator and 18 will become the denominator. So 13 times 2 over 5 times 3 over 18. That's what we are going to have. And of course, 3 can cancel itself, and 3 goes into 18 6 times. Since this 1 over 6 is also multiplying, we can also cancel 2 and 6. 2 goes into itself once, 2 goes into 6, 3. So at the end, we are going to obtain 13 over 5 times 3, which is 15. And that will be our final answer.